मोगान मी पडला का कितें रे?
घे मी अ ब्रेक. मोग एक टाइमपास. सगळी चेडो एक सारखी. यूज थ्रो यूज थ्रो. लेट्स ट्राय देन. कोणूय चेडू हांगासान पासार जावं तेका हांव मजा करून दाखयता. आनी मजे म्हणजे अशें तशें न्हय, डायरेक्ट हातून MMS.
सुरोपाय तुजी बुलयता गाडीच धगधग जाता. राग तुजो नाकाचेर हाय कितें जाता म्हाका. 36, 25, 36 क्या बात है वाह वाह वाह. You are just 18.
मामी तुका मेळोंक सोदता.
Why?
तिका दिसता तिजो पूत आतां व्हड जाला म्हूण. I love her.
Are you serious?
शीतळ मारता सोंगीराचे वारे.
सायरस, तूच सांगतालो तेजेर मोग करतालो म्हणून अपलोड कित्याक केली?
What do you mean?
MMS तुजी आनी रोजाची इंटरनेटाचेर अपलोड जाल्लेली आसा.
तुझ्या जिवितान खरो मोग तुका केन्नाच मेळचो ना.
Rose.
सायरसाचो खून कोण करीत कांयच समजना. ते रोज बाबडे सुइसाइड.
It's not suicide. It's a perfect planned murder.
एक पिक्चर जेन्ना जाता तेन्ना मेन त्याची सुरवात जाता प्रोड्युसरा कडल्यान आनी जी एंड ऑलमोस्ट जावपाक पावता तेन्ना तो डिस्ट्रिब्युटर कडेन आसता. म्हणजे ही जी सुरवात आनी एंड हे दोन मेन म्हत्वाचे घटक आसा एका पिक्चराचे. आनी हेच डिस्कस करपाक आमी MMS जी मुवी आसा तेजे बद्दल आमी आनी चड जाणून घेतले फ्रॉम दी प्रोड्युसर. जेका प्रोड्युसर पेक्षा रादर तो म्हणपाक सोदता की आपूण शेफ बरो, प्रोड्युसर सेकंड, दॅट इज शेफ जेरिटन डायस ऑफ डायसन्स वेंचर्स. आणि दुसरे जे आसा तेजे डिस्ट्रिब्युटरशीप पळयता ह्या मुवीचे ते जावन आसा सावियो रॉड्रिग्स ऑफ कियाना पिक्चर्स. टेल मी वन थिंग बॉस, you are a very good cook. Now I met you last time also for your movie Victim. This cooking habit of yours, cooking in the film, will it has it enhanced now from the first movie?
Pretty much by big way actually. कित्याक as a chef कितें आसता किचनान when you cook something दुसरो शेफ कितले बरें करता तेजी कॅपॅसिटी किती आसता आनी तो कितें करून करता. सो वॉट यू कॅन डू म्हणजे तेज्या लायक आमचें फिल्डूच इट्स लायक अ कॉम्पिटिशन. वन शेफ वील ऑलवेज वॉन्ट टू बी द बेटर दॅन द नेक्स्ट. सो तो शेफ कितें करता तो ते एक वस्त तितून घालता जाल्यार हांव हितून तीच वस्त दुसरी घालून लोकांक कशी सर्व करता तें चिंतपाचें. सो ती थियरी आनी ही थियरी प्रिटी मच द सेम. कित्याक किचनान आसता एक रेसिपीन डिफरंट इंग्रेडियंट्स. चिकन रांदूंक जाय जाल्यार चिकन हाडचेंच पडटा, मागीर तितून जाय तो मसालो घालचो पडटा. सो सेम थियरी यू अप्लाय इट इन द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. फिल्मान कितें स्क्रिप्ट. सो ती स्क्रिप्ट जाली तुजी किचनान चिकन मेन इंग्रेडियंट जावं ना. मागीर बाकीचे तुका एक्टर जाय, तुका लोकेशन्स जाय, हे सगळे तुजे लिटल बिट्स ऑफ इंग्रेडियंट्स जाले रेसिपींतले. सो एट द एंड वन्स एवरीथिंग इज शूट द शूट जेन्ना चालू जाता तेन्ना म्हणसर किचनान हाडीन शिजता सो वन्स द फिल्म इज कंप्लीटेड देन ऑन द अदर साइड द डिश इज बीन कुक्ड
I think you have a better hand in movies now, cooking movies rather.
pretty much it looks like कित्याक it's good you learn everything from experience कित्याक एकदा आमी म्हणटा कोंकणीन बूट लागले शिवार तुका ताजो दूख गावना ते प्रिटी मच द सेम तेच भाशेन यू डू दॅट आनी लोकांक तूं कसो सर्व करतलो दॅट इज द चॅलेंज आनी सेम थिंग तूं फिल्मान घाल फिल्म केलेंच म्हूण जायना तेजे भायर जायती स्टडी आहा lot of pains, lot of efforts goes to, lot of sacrifices, and the biggest thing is लोकांक ते मानतले ना मानतले
हे मागीर
ते
कळना
जाता हय सो all those things has to be kept in mind तोगलेन धरचे पडटा because once you cook, once you release the film you can't do nothing एक पाटी रांदले म्हणटच मीठ सुबेज पडल्यार मागीर कितलें बरें करते the taste will never be the same so that is what
now you've cooked this movie called MMS. Now the serving चे जे responsibility आसा ती ताज्या कडेन आसा. He's the distributor now. Now tell me one thing, did you really like the movie? ताजी taste बरी लागली? To be more precise, what Chef Jerry says about his movie.
Well, actually, to be very frank, when I saw the first teaser trailer, which was what attracted me to the movie, I was like, who's this guy? Who's made this teaser trailer? That's when I hunted him down. Okay, because we were going through the process with Home Sweet Home, and we were very keen on moving into other movies as well. So that's when I hunted him down and I said, let me find where's this Chef Jerry, and he was in Goa at that time. And I said, okay, let's call him up, let's see if he's interested in us taking the movie forward, because I believe there's a lot of pain gone into the movie. I've been a big fan of The Victim, okay, but we've never met before, and I have seen The Victim, so I saw quality over there. I said, let's find Jerry because this is a great movie. It's got a great topic. It's executed very well. And when I did see the final movie, I was like, okay, this is a movie that's going to rock. That's the reason why we are together today. And I think what MMS does have and what we bring to MMS is to be able to take a great product that the chef has made and the rest of the team, and to place it in a fantastic restaurant,
a platter,
and give it to people, and that's how they're going to like the movie. And I think it's an amazing movie. As a distributor, I think I'm really happy to be associated with it.
मोगान मी पडला का कितें रे
Give me a break. मोग एक टाइमपास. सगळी चेडो एक सारकी. Use, throw. Let's try then. कोणूय चेडू हांगासान पासार जावं तेका हांव मजा करून दाखयता आनी मजा म्हणजे अशें तशें न्हय डायरेक्ट हातून MMS.
As a producer, tell me one thing, did the subject actually attract you to produce? Main reason कितें?
Main reason कितें त्याचा टॉपिक इटसेल्फ म्हणजे पुरो बिकॉज इट टेल्स यू कितें तरी हितून सेपरेट म्हणजे दुसरे भाशेचे आहा ते आनी सोदूंक वचपा नाका आतां दुसऱ्या फिल्माची नांवां लायक जायते भशेन आसा डिफरंट वेज पीपल एक्झिक्यूटेड कंप्लिटली डिफरंट आतां आमी MMS द वर्ड इटसेल्फ इज MMS एज लोकांक वाचतोच तें कितें काय लोकांच्या पयलो मनान पयलो प्रश्न येतलो सो दॅट वील लेट पीपल मेक अ डिसिजन म्हणजे कितें तें वचोन पयल्यारूच गमतलें कितें
मनान प्रश्न येतलो आनी डायरेक्ट मोबायलाक सोदतले पयलीं
सोदतले कितें MMS
सो दॅट रिकॉल
या सो आतां कितें लोक थोडो कितें करता टू रिमेंबर समथींग दे ऑलवेज कंपेर इट टू समथींग सो द वर्ड इटसेल्फ आनी टू हॅव द टायटल द क्रेडीट कंप्लिटली गोज टू द डिरेक्टर कित्याक सदांच कितें आसा एनी कायंड ऑफ यू गो एनी फिल्ड सदांच कोण पळय लायक पयशे मोडटा ओ हू इज फायनान्सिंग हीज नेम हिट्स द टॉप लिस्ट बट एक्चुअली इट्स द बॉटम लायन हू डज द हार्ड वर्क आतां हितून हांवें पयशे मोडले जायत बट माय बॅकग्रावंड इज अ शेफ एंड आय हँडल अ टीम म्हणजे 250 I have handled the largest or the biggest group is 380 chefs I've handled. सो हितून म्हाका तें आय बिलीव इन वन थिंग इज टीम वर्क. MMS, no doubt, I produce, I've spent all my hard earned money, but I give the credit not to my pocket,
The team.
to the entire team, and that includes the small little tiny little boy, who is known as Javin Fernandez, but he is so much stuffed inside. तेजे भितर इतले आहा न्हू, so it is a good platform for him to expose. And like Javin, गोंयान आनीक जायते आहा. And आमचो मेन सपोर्ट फॉर दिस MMS टीम वॉज सर प्रिन्स जेकब. तेज्या आशिर्वादान आमी हे सगळें कंप्लीट करपाक
म्हाका दिसतालो he is godfather to the director, he is godfather to the other actors, but I think he is godfather to the producer also.
गॉडफादर पासून वर्ड इज लिटल लेसर व्हॅल्यू. कितें आसता, गॉडफादर म्हणजे ती एक फॅमिली, तितून मेन ते पाय आनी माय आनी सगळें कनेक्टिविटी. पूण हितून कितें आसता, जे सर प्रिन्स जेकबान अचीव केला त्याच्या जिवितान,
ताजो जो बॅकग्राऊंड आसा तो डेफिनेटली
आमी तर देवान म्हाका आनीक 100 वर्सां दिल्ली जाल्यार पासून आय विल नेवर बी एबल टू कम इवन क्लोजर टू दॅट. सो तो एक सराचो आमकां उपकार, बिकॉज तेणें मेन तो आदार. घरान चोय तूं, घरान लायटच गेली, भुरग्यांक आवय बापूय नाल्यार भिरांत दिसता. सो ती भिरांत आमकां आसोंक ना. फॉर दीस MMS टीम, जॉविन हॅड अ नायस स्क्रिप्ट, टायटलींग वॉज व्हेरी नायस. सो हांवें म्हणलें इफ वी गेट टुगेदर सर प्रिन्स जेकब, वी रॉक. सो आतां आमी भोंवता हांव आनी जॉयवीन. जेकब आमकां वय म्हणटलो ना म्हणटा, कित्याक आमी ल्हानशे भुरगे. ओके, हाय हॅव डन एक फिल्म केला, जॉयवीनानी ल्हान जायतीं फिल्मां केली, बट टू हॅव समवन ऑफ दॅट कॅलिबर सर प्रिन्स जेकब, ते आमकां दॅट वॉज नॉट, आय वूड नॉट यूज गॉडफादर, इट इज मोर वॅल्यू दॅन दॅट, इज प्रायसलेस. कित्याक तो एक आमकां आशिर्वाद. सो आमी भिवंक ना. वी नेवर फेल्ट फॉर 1 सेकंड की आमी पडटले म्हूण. So that was our challenge and we did it.
Okay, now the producer has put us his money. Now it is up to the distributor to get it, return on value. Now, do you really think that this subject will click with the masses? Especially in Goa, the kind of scenario there is now. Obviously, it is changing for the last couple of months or couple of years now.
See, one of the best parts about the movie is that it's a suspense thriller. It's a whodunit kind of movie, which will only reveal itself in the last 5-10 minutes of the movie. What Jovan has done is he's created a product that keeps you glued to the seat till the very last minute. So I don't think it's a movie only meant for the Goa market. That's one of the reasons why I got on board, because whether it's Prince Jacob, whether it's Kevin, whether it's the entire star cast, I think what they've done in the movie is a caliber that goes beyond just Goa and Konkani movies. It's about taking Konkani movies and bridging the gap nationally and globally. So I have no doubts in my mind that this movie will make money. I have no doubts that the producer will recover his money and the distributor also will recover the money. But what we need to do more than money is to try and get people in Goa to understand that there is a lot of talent that lies in Goa.
Make them more involved.
Make them more involved. You see, we would also like to get a lot of support from the government to try and encourage talent over here. You know, you've got a lot of Hindi films coming shooting here, Telugu films coming and shooting in Goa, but it's the local talent that's not really getting exposed, and that's why I came into it. We came into distribution of movies and into producing of movies is to give a push